watching a Projector presentation. Enjoy, nerds.
Welcome back to another episode of Tech Nerd 9000 Reviews! Today is very exciting because we're about to get teed up! That's right, we're about to get real technical here with our review of the Missyou, that's a brand, the Missyou YG300 mini projector. This is a very straight up unboxing where I even unpackage it from its original shipping packaging, and then you know this is unfiltered content, and that's what you like. Check this out, straight from Amazon. I hate these things, by the way. Oh god. Going back to this other end. Oh, LED projector. Whoa. Look at that. Bubble wrapped goodness. Oh me, oh my. Where does he get these wonderful toys? Oh, actually from Amazon, to be honest with you. Batman could have saved himself a lot of trouble just by saying Amazon. There's a user manual. This manual is actually all in English. Look at this. Opening up the baggie. Look at this beaut. Yellow, little, different. It's got a little switch right here. Whoa. Whoa. I think that's the projector part. It projects itself out. This isn't focusing in right, but you got a headphone jack. You got your AV jack. You got a micro SD card slot for, I don't know why that would be. There's a power button. It's not powering up. It's not good. That's not a good sign. And then you've got a DC. You've got a slot that says off. That doesn't make sense. And you've got a USB and a HDMI, HDMI. The slot that says off does not make sense to me at all. You shouldn't like put something in a slot to turn it off. You should push a button like this button here. But let's try and power, well, let's see what else is in this box here first. One other box inside here to open. Very old. These are very old. Nobody uses these anymore. Remember that old MTV game show? Remote control! This has a nice little remote control. Bing! It's got some good buttons on there. Good button action. Then you got your, I don't know if you can see this, but you got yourself a power pack. I just noticed this. Check out the bottom. You can mount this on your GoPro. All right, now you don't need to be a real tech nerd to set this up, but I'm going to start with the, I got the power pack cord here, and I'm going to put it direct current in. See, did that. Now, we need to find a power supply spot for this, and look. Plenty of those free over here. Boom, it's plugged in. And this already, this white light is already on. So we got some good action here. I'm gonna deploy the projector part of the projector. Boom. And now let's just press play and see what happens. I'm gonna point this towards something. I don't see anything coming out of there. All right, let's try something else. The struggle was real, but I was able to wrangle an HDMI cable from another appliance. That's sticking out there. Because I just have a feeling that this is going to be required in order to successfully use this. So as you can see, even with the 4K, the HDMI 4K cable plugged in here to my drive, my dock station, I pushed play, and this thing's out, and it's not doing anything. We got problems! I'm pushing all these buttons. Let's just see if something will happen, including rewind. Oh. Oh. I pushed the power button and the light went off, and now it turned on. Look at this. The bulb's on. And now I can see. Now you can see something is being projected. Look at that. This is cool. Oh wow, I don't know what to project it onto. Let's try this. So I've got an ideal setup here. I've got it projected onto this back wall here. And now I'm gonna start playing with some of these buttons to see what they do. That did something. That changed something. Cool, so you get to look at a blurry image, and yeah, that's cool. Good stuff. So check this out. I pulled up the instructions, which is kind of humiliating to have to do, but I forgot that there was a remote. And I opened up the back of the remote, and I need 2 AAA batteries, and so I'm gonna go get those. And then all the controls here are pretty easy to read. So I'm playing Transformers, and somebody told me to make the room dark, so I did that. But I'm playing Transformers, and I have it selected here, and I'm trying to do it, but it says no signal. I have the HDMI, and it says no signal, which is a bummer. It's a bummer, dudes. Okay, I switched the HDMI to, now it's directly into my computer. Transformers still playing. Got it plugged in here. Still saying no signal, but look at how sharp that is. That's actually really good. That's really nice quality. Okay, so you want to know my final thoughts on the mini projector by Missyou. Floaty thing, get out of there. Missyou, I say, do not miss you. Do not miss this at this price of like $39. And again, it can mount on your GoPro, which is crazy. Good. That's just a good thought for them to do that. Now that I think of it, I should have mounted my GoPro on it in the demo, but yeah, maybe that's another video. My final thoughts would be this. Only complaint is that the power button is lit up when it's turned off, and vice versa. Comes with this, which unless you have like a VCR, worthless. I'm plugging it, in fact. Worthless. Really sharp picture quality. Does this so you can focus, and it's got these little rubber feet, slip proof. Sorry, you can't see that, but let's do this. See, it's not slipping. And Really, for this price, which again, I didn't pay anything for it, but for you to pay this price to get this technology, a really sharp picture, looks really great in the dark. So I recommend it in the dark. I'm going to say 4 stars.